Yo, what is up, everybody? Ah! Okay, so got my coilovers in. I'm opening a package here. Yeah, if you had BC Racing Coilover on your legs, that wouldn't happen. Alright, so right away we got the, I don't know what this is, a piece of paper. Oh, okay, it's like a catalog for the different series they have. We got the DS series, which is a digressive piston, which helps with lowering the dampening for like lower speed, stuff like that. But these should be good for drifting. Basically what the guy from Injuku Sam helped me figure out was the spring rate for my application. We're going to be running LS, and it's going to be a little bit heavier up front, so we went with the 8 spring rate up front, and in the rear here we got the 5 kilogram. But I think we're going to I might end up getting maybe like a 4, and then I don't know yet. It should be fine, but we might end up getting like a 1 up and 1 down in the front and the rear, and that way if it's a different track we can, you know, adjust. But right now, for what I'm going to be doing, it's perfect. I'm happy. These are awesome. They look so sick. They're really clean, packaged really well. So here we go. We got the fronts. As you can see, they have the camber plate, so I can adjust negative camber, positive camber. That is so awesome and helpful. So like right away we'll be able to, you know, get some good negative camber. It's awesome. That's gonna be so helpful. So I mean, obviously these are gonna be really helpful at the track when I need to do adjustability, and you know, it depends on the different tracks, different setup we got going on, what we'll be using. But I mean, these things are just, you can tell they're made really well. They feel, you know, just amazing. I feel like I'm gonna get my money's worth out of these. They also came with a couple SIG stickers. These are pretty cool. They're like a brushed aluminum look. And then came with the adjustability tools. So that is pretty cool, man. That's pretty much it. Here's the fronts. A stiffer spring, more robust for the heavier engine, as I said earlier. So in the front, I'm going to be running a 8 kilogram spring, and that's going to really help me in my situation because I'm going to be running an LS up front. You know, I'm not going to be running stock KA or SR. So that extra weight, that'll give me a stiffer spring in the front. That'll help hold that up, and should work pretty well for my application. Man, these things just look amazing. As you can see in the front, they have the adjustable camber plate. So I can literally just sit there and adjust the camber from the top of the car, which is insane. So it just gives me a lot more adjustability for the front suspension to get the right setup for the right track, you know what I mean? So I got a 5 in the rear, which is going to help me get the wheels to the ground, you know, and really get that good forward bite. It's going to be awesome. I'm pretty stoked. You can just tell how well these things are milled.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a Rasta. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta.